Hi everybody, today we are going to be talking about how to identify a silver lime tree. Now when you first walk up to these guys, you're going to notice the bark and the branches. So these guys have a lighter colored bark and they have this sort of webbing effect. The webbing is not super deep, but they have these nice sort of like crossing and webbing netting type where they go into each other and before going back out, but it remains pretty consistent in color. So this is nice light color and it's kind of scaly but not quite, so it's just this nice light color. Now when you go up the trunk, you'll see that the trunk branches off in these large, many branches, large branches, and they start to have, you'll see the red tint from under the webbing of the trunk coming out more from them as well. The canopy is quite large and it typically has a round shape. It doesn't come to a point. And these trees get pretty tall as well. And these trees, specifically the silver limes, they actually have two leaf types. And we are about to take a closer look to it. So on the branches and the twigs that come up to the leaves, that nice red color that I was talking about earlier comes out in its fullness onto the twigs, onto the leaves, and it is just this nice, very smooth branch and twigs, and it's just this nice deep red, and it's pretty shiny as well. So these guys have quite a lot of leaves, but they alternate in pattern, and as you can see, there's these bud-like things at the end of each leaf, at where the leaf meets the twig. These are not buds, they just appear to be as well. And again, these leaves alternate. And here is a great example of the two different leaves that the silver lime has. We have this lighter colored leaf that is nice and oblong, which is where the name silver lime comes from. And then we have the nice, more round with the serrated edged, and it comes to a pointed tip leaf, and it's a darker color as well. And notice how the oblong does not have a pointed tip. And also to note, the oblong leaf has these sort of budded fruits that come off of the leaf proper, off of the main vein. And this one right here has 5 buds that come off of it. And this is going to be on every single one. The number of these bud-like nodes is going to be on every single one of these little silvery green lime leaves. And here's the main leaf that you have more of compared to the oblong silver leaf. That is green, but it has that sort of silver tint too. The bottom side of the larger, more numerous green leaves is matte and lighter in color, but you can see the light main vein stands out very well. And here's the top side. It is a darker color. And again, the edges are serrated with a pointed tip. This one got eaten a little bit. Fall is coming in my area, so everything is eating everything right now. But yes, just to reiterate, those silver oblong leaves They do not have that pointed tip and are just long and rounded tipped. And there you have it. That is the silver lime tree.